This fucking bum over here won't wake his ass up. And I've been waiting outside 20 minutes. Get up! He finally decided to wake up. I've been waiting out here for 15 minutes.
Fucking freezing.
All right. We're going to the gas station because I need to wash this bitch and fill up with some of that sweet $6 a gallon.
$6 a gallon.
I know, fuck that. Fuck
Yeah,
that
it's
shit.
Arctic,
I know. What the fuck is that? Some beer. We got the jams going though. That's what's the vibe. You gotta stick it in all the way. Damn, I haven't seen the new wheel yet. Woo, that Alcantara looks so good. Oh my gosh. Damn, this is some race car shit right here. Oh my gosh, I thought this was a touchless wash. I'm gonna kill myself. I'm gonna fucking kill myself. No! 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 Fuck! I thought this was a touchless wash. It said online that it was! Oh my fucking gosh, bro. I'm so pissed. I am so pissed. Yeah, I know, I could have fucking looked better. I'm busy. I'm not paying attention to the wash. Ugh. Damn, alright. This is kind of cool. We got some fancy lights at least. Bro, it said touchless wash online and it washed my car. It fucking scrubbed it with the scrub things. No! All right, it's time to go. At least she's clean, I guess. Gosh! Pulled up. We got the whole squad about to roll out here. Got some nice whips going down. We're fucking about to lead. Let's go, baby! Let's fucking go! Let's go, baby! We got the fucking Type R, the M4CS. My God.
Okay, I pull up high as fuck, right up front to where the venue was. Every time I look at her, she feel like I'm the only one. Only thing I care about is living life the best I could. Only one to smoke and stay productive till the day is done.
We got the homie in the back here, hanging out, doing his thing.
To the provolone, pull up to my block quick, pop out then I dip. At first I told her no, but now I think I'll have a sip. Ever since I got my money right, I'm smiling like the Grinch. And I don't give a fuck about no sucker nigga shit. I'ma pull up screaming, don't get no fucking, that is it. I show up doing 540, shaking, bacon, rip. Chicken bone, 9 songs, shorty in my whip. It's Hollow Squad, the coffin fleet, I bet they won't forget. Bitch.
What are we thinking? What are we thinking of the M3 right here?
I like old school or new school.
Oh, the new school. Oh my gosh. Look at them seats. Oh my gosh. Got the M240 posted up with the boys. We got the whole squad out today.
Just don't go out. This was worth it.
As long as the rod bearings don't blow us ice. Hopefully not.
Yeah. What's that? Yeah. Ha. Hey, sir. Ha, huh, ooh, yeah, ha, yeah, hold on, smoking dope real heavy, got a bitch Miss Betty, I can't trust her, I don't love her, running to the fatty, got a Bentley, almost broke, was riding in the Chevy, and my dad is heavy, yeah, I'm a champion.
We're hanging out at this bridge, this one-lane bridge. We got the crew behind us. We got some random-ass truck, but then we got some other stuff in the back there. It won't focus because it's retarded. Oh, there we go. The CS, and then the Type R is back there somewhere. Got the AMG. This cruise has been pretty good so far.
And she sniffing coke up her nose. Yeah. Ooh, that's the way it goes. Smoking dope real heavy, got a bitch Miss Betty. I can't trust her, I don't love her, running to the Fetty. Got a Bentley, almost broke, was riding in the Chevy. And my diamonds heavy, yeah, I'm a champion. Yeah, I was so broke, yeah, I was sleeping right on the floor. Swear to God, now I'm selling out shows. Look to God, I ain't going broke no more. Wait, let me speed it down. Got a bitch who wanna drive downtown. Riding in the riding downtown. Wait, yeah, fucked up in the days. Now I'm getting paid. Smoking dope real heavy, got a bitch Miss Betty. I can't trust her.